Yeah, this is a shout out to my sister Cindy. Yeah, you see it. I need to go out and get some air, do some walking, exercise, whatever. Being in the house for 24 hours is not good for your health. Well, just like I said, what, go outside and get hurt? Because I did. Hope you're happy. Yeah, I went outside to shovel the snow and that. That shit was slippery. Yeah. I went to take one big swing and get into that snow. Boom! Bam! Right down I went. So thanks a lot, Cindy. Hope you're happy. But yeah, I did get the four-wheeler running, plowed the driveway, shoveled the sidewalk and the stairs, and rode the four-wheeler around the house a couple of times, had some fun, and I made a video, so watch it. Yeah. Wisconsin's first snowstorm. Subscribe, Carol Kiss. Bye. Make them short, right? Yeah, make them short. Make more views. Yeah. Let's see, what should I label this as? Yeah, okay. Wisconsin winter. Or Wisconsin's first snowfall for 2015. Alright, subscribe. Later. Carol Kiss.